Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter Compound Interest, class 8, exercise 10.3. So if you guys want to see the solution of earlier chapters of same publication house and class 8 maths book, you can go by the playlist where all the solution videos are available. Moreover, I have solved many chapters of class 7 maths book. The chapter names are integers, fractions, decimals, rational numbers, linear equations, triangle and its properties, lines and angles, and the chapters of class 8 which I have solved are rational numbers, exponents, square and square roots, cube and cube roots, playing with numbers, algebraic expressions, factorization of algebraic expressions, percentage in its applications, linear equations, direct and inverse variation, compound interest, surface area and volume, probability, quadrilateral, and so on. So let's not to waste further time. Check it out how to solve question number 3 of exercise 10.3. And please do subscribe the channel. It hardly takes a second to subscribe the channel. So if you go by the solution videos, not to forget to subscribe. So here question number 3 says, after how many years will rupees 8,000 become rupees 10,125 at 12 whole number 1/2% per annum compound interest? So here, how do we start? Let the required time be how many years? N years. Because we take time in N, principal is given as rupees 8,000. Rate of interest is given as rupees 12 whole number, given as 12 whole number 1/2% per annum, and we will change it. It will become 25/2% per annum. So here what we have to find out, we have to find out the time. So we know the formula. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power n. Be careful while by doing the calculations, as minute calculations can lead to major problems. So we will put the values. Rupees 10,125 equal to rupees 8,000, which is given as principal, and 10,125 rupees is given as amount. 1 plus r is 25/2% 100 raised to the power n. Now, in our next step, we will write rupees 10,125, rupees 8,000, we will cancel it. So it will become 1 plus 1/8 raised to the power n. In our next step, we will bring 8,000 here. And we will remain with 1 plus 1/8 raised to the power n here. Now, 10,125 upon 8,000. Take the LCM equal to 8. 8 plus 1 raised to the power n raised to the power n here. Now, in our next step, 10,125 upon 8,000. It will become what? 9/8 1. Here cancel it. It will go by 5. 2s are 10. 0s are 5. 2s are 5. 5s are 25. And 5 1s are 6 are. Now 5 4s are 0s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 0s are. Again 5 8s are 1s are 5 6s are 30 and 5 4s are. So here we are remain with 81 by 64 raised to the power 9 by 8 raised to the power n. In our next step, we will change 81 by 64 as 9 by 8 so as to make the basis same. And 9 by 8 already given as n. So लिखेंगे since bases are same, powers will also be same. So here basis equal है, same है, तो n क्या आ जाएगा 2. So we will write therefore required time is equal to 2 years. So it was all about question number 3. One thing, please be careful while doing the calculations. And if any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Let's move further. So question number 4. And question number 4 is HOTS, high order thinking skills. So be more careful here. Pinky borrowed a certain sum of money from her friend. At the end of 2 years, she cleared her debt by paying an interest of rupees 4,200. When the interest is compounded annually at the rate of 10% per annum, find the sum of money borrowed. So here we have to find out the borrowed money. So first we will assume let the sum of money borrowed be P. Time is given as 2 years. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. And amount, what we will assume? Amount we will assume principal plus compound interest. And here we have not been given any principal and any amount of interest. We have been given only interest, which is 4,200. So we will apply the formula amount equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power n. So amount here will become principal plus compound interest. Principal as it is 1 plus in our next step. So principal plus 4,200, which is given as compound interest. Principal 1 plus 10% rate of interest, 2 years. So principal plus 4,200, principal, we will take the LCM and it would be like 100 plus 10 by 100. So it will become principal plus 4200 equal to principal into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 two times. So here principal plus 4200, we will bring this principal in here in division 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now we will split it. So it would become principal plus principal by principal plus 4200 by principal equal to 11 by 10. Be careful as this is the HOTS question. Cancel it. 1 plus 4200. So 4200 by P, and we will bring this one to right hand side. 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 minus 1. So it would become 4200 by P, 121 by 100 minus 1. So 4200 by P, 121 minus 100 by 100. So 4200 by P, 21 by 100. So 4200 21 into 100 equal to P. So ये 2 so principal would be rupees how much? 20,000. So it was this thing we have been asked for. So we will write the sum of money borrowed equal to rupees 20,000. Nothing is there. Only one thing we have to be taken care about, that we have to put the values carefully and we have to do the calculations carefully, nothing else. So it was all about today's video. So if any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubt by commenting to the comment box. Please do subscribe the channel. It hardly takes a second to subscribe it. And in my further videos, I'll be solving more of the question of compound interest. So if you guys like my videos, if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and do subscribe, like, and share.